For centuries, women have sought natural ways to enhance their femininity and embrace the beauty of their bodies. Herbal remedies have long played a vital role in this pursuit, offering gentle yet powerful solutions for breast health and enhancement. Nature provides a bounty of herbs that can help women achieve their desired breast appearance while promoting overall well-being. This essay explores time-tested herbal remedies and provides practical guidance on incorporating them into your daily routine. Discover the power of herbs like fenugreek, blessed thistle and Quai, renowned for their breast-enhancing properties. Learn how to create your own herbal oils, creams and infusions to nourish and enhance your breasts naturally. This guide empowers you to take control of your breast health. It helps you connect with the wisdom of nature, embrace the journey to natural breast enhancement, and experience the transformative benefits firsthand. Herbs offer a holistic approach to breast health that goes beyond superficial enhancements. Many herbs contain phytoestrogens. These are plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Estrogen plays a crucial role in breast development and growth. By incorporating these herbs into your routine, you can potentially stimulate breast tissue growth. It can also improve elasticity and enhance fullness. Additionally, many herbs possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help protect breast tissue from damage, promote healthy cell regeneration, and maintain overall breast health. Remember that herbal remedies work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. This includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. By embracing a holistic approach, you can optimize the effectiveness of these natural remedies. You will also enhance your overall well-being. Fenugreek, a staple in Middle Eastern and Asian cuisine, is renowned for its culinary and medicinal properties. This versatile herb is a rich source of phytoestrogens, particularly diosgenin, which mimics the effects of estrogen in the body. This makes fenugreek a popular choice for women seeking natural breast enhancement. Fenugreek seeds contain flavonoids and saponins. These compounds can help promote breast tissue growth by stimulating hormonal activity. It can also improve skin elasticity. Regular use of fenugreek can potentially lead to firmer, fuller, and more youthful-looking breasts. Beyond its breast-enhancing properties, fenugreek offers a range of health benefits. It can help regulate menstrual cycles, reduce menopausal symptoms, and even boost milk production in lactating mothers. Incorporating fenugreek into your diet or using it topically can provide a holistic approach to breast health and overall well-being. Harness the power of fenugreek by creating your own breast enhancement oil. This easy-to-follow recipe combines fenugreek seeds with nourishing carrier oils to create a potent topical treatment. Ingredients: half a cup of fenugreek seeds and 1 cup of carrier oil such as olive oil, almond oil or jojoba oil. Instructions: first, gently warm the carrier oil in a double boiler or a saucepan over low heat. Then, add the fenugreek seeds to the warm oil and stir well. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let the mixture infuse for 30 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally. After infusing, strain the oil through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer into a clean, sterilized glass bottle. Store the fenugreek oil in a cool, dark place. It will last for several months. To use, massage the fenugreek oil onto your breasts in circular motions for 10 to 15 minutes twice daily. The oil's nourishing properties will deeply moisturize your skin. The fenugreek will work its magic to promote breast tissue growth and enhance your natural curves. Section 5. Blessed Thistle, supporting hormonal balance for breast health. Blessed Thistle, a flowering herb native to Europe, has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly for women's health issues. This herb is believed to support hormonal balance, making it a valuable ally for breast enhancement. Blessed Thistle contains compounds that can help stimulate the production of prolactin. Prolactin is a hormone that plays a crucial role in breast development and milk production. It can also help regulate menstrual cycles and reduce symptoms of PMS. In addition to its hormonal benefits, Blessed Thistle is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the breast tissue. This property makes it beneficial for women experiencing breast tenderness or discomfort. Section 6. Preparing a blessed thistle infusion for breast enhancement. To experience the breast-enhancing benefits of blessed thistle, prepare a simple yet effective infusion using dried blessed thistle herb. This infusion can be applied topically as a breast toner or consumed as a tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried blessed thistle herb, 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: 1. Place the dried blessed thistle herb in a mug or heat-proof container. 2. Pour boiling water over the herb and cover the mug. 3. Allow the infusion to steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain the liquid into a clean mug or jar. To use as a breast toner, soak a cotton ball in the cooled infusion and gently apply it to your breasts after showering. Allow the toner to air dry before dressing. To consume as a tea, enjoy 1 to 2 cups of the blessed thistle infusion daily. Section 7. Dong Quai, the female ginseng. Dong Quai, also known as female ginseng, is a highly revered herb in traditional Chinese medicine. It has been used for centuries to address a wide range of women's health concerns, including menstrual irregularities, menopausal symptoms, and breast health. This potent herb is a rich source of phytoestrogens, which can help balance hormone levels and promote breast tissue growth. Dong Quai also improves blood circulation, which can enhance nutrient delivery to the breasts, further supporting their health and vitality. In traditional Chinese medicine, Dong Quai is often combined with other herbs to create customized formulas tailored to individual needs. It is important to consult with a qualified traditional Chinese medicine practitioner before using Dong Quai, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Section 8. Incorporating Dong Quai into your breast health routine. While Dong Quai is traditionally consumed as a tea or supplement, it can also be incorporated into your breast health routine topically. You can create a Dong Quai infused oil or cream to enhance its breast-enhancing properties. To make a Dong Quai infused oil, combine 1/4 cup of dried Dong Quai root with 1 cup of carrier oil, such as olive oil or almond oil, in a double boiler. Gently heat the mixture for 1 to 2 hours, ensuring that the oil doesn't boil. Strain the oil through a cheesecloth and store it in a clean, sterilized glass bottle. Massage the Dong Quai infused oil onto your breasts twice daily using gentle circular motions. The oil will nourish your skin, while the Dong Quai promotes circulation and supports healthy breast tissue. Section 9. Massage techniques for enhanced absorption and circulation. When applying herbal oils or creams to your breasts, incorporating specific massage techniques can enhance absorption and stimulate circulation. These techniques can maximize the effectiveness of your breast enhancement routine. Start by warming a small amount of herbal oil or cream between your palms. Using gentle circular motions, massage your breasts upwards towards your armpits. This movement helps to stimulate lymphatic drainage and reduce fluid buildup. Continue massaging your breasts in circular motions, working your way from the outer edges towards your nipples. Avoid applying excessive pressure or pulling on the delicate skin of your breasts. The goal is to promote gentle stimulation and enhance blood flow to the area. Consistency is key when it comes to breast massage. Aim to massage your breasts for 5 to 10 minutes twice daily for optimal results. Section 10. Conclusion. Embrace the journey to natural breast wellness. Empowering yourself with the knowledge of natural breast enhancement allows you to make informed choices about your body and well-being. By incorporating these herbal remedies and techniques into your daily routine, you can support your breast health. You can also enhance your natural beauty holistically. Remember to be patient and consistent with your herbal breast enhancement journey. It may take time to see noticeable results. Embrace the process and celebrate the positive changes you experience along the way. Share your experiences with these herbal remedies and inspire other women to embrace the power of nature for their breast health. If you have any concerns or questions, consult with a qualified healthcare professional. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. Like and share this video to help others on their journey. Visit our website for detailed guides and additional resources. Embrace your journey to natural breast wellness today.